Hey guys, it's Gary Wong from the Gary Wong Group, and today I'm super excited to have fireside chat with my great friend Joseph Tang from the Joseph Tang Wealth and Investment Group. It's great to have you.
Thank you, Gary.
And so today we're going to be shooting a series of videos talking about investment vehicles in the finance space. So I'm really excited to have Joseph Tang share his insight and his expertise with all of you. As you know, I'm a real estate agent, but I like to help my clients diversify, and I want to educate them and add value to you. So I'm really excited to have Joseph with us today.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me here, Gary. First time collaborating. So a little bit about myself. So I've been in the investment industry for 16 years. I graduated from University of British Columbia with a major in economics. I've always knew that investment, wealth management was something that I always wanted to do. So shortly after that, I completed my Chartered Financial Analyst designation, which, you know, for those that know, it takes quite a bit of time to complete. It took me 4 years when there's 3 exams. So yes, I flunked one of them in between. So I did that in about 2013, and from there on worked for a few different organizations, and now started moving my business to independent under Joe Tang Wealth and Investment, and helping clients manage their money, protect their money, grow their money, but more importantly, being in Vancouver, as you know, tax is a big issue.
Yeah, totally.
All right, so, you know, making money is great, but how do we keep most of it in your pocket legally?
Yeah, so like it's really important, I think, to like have conversations with investment advisor. I think a lot of my clients, they actually don't have an investment advisor. Do you find that's the case?
Yeah, I believe that a lot of the people, when they don't know, a lot of them, they assume that they can do it themselves, which with technology nowadays, you can actually do a lot of the investing, like buy bonds, buy stocks, buy mutual funds, buy term deposits on your own. Then there's nothing wrong with that. If you're sophisticated enough, if you've done enough of your research, you can definitely manage the investments yourself. But a lot of times, it is, again, what I was saying is, once you earn money, you have to pay taxes to the government.
Yeah.
So what we do, investing is only one piece of the pie. There's, again, minimizing the taxes that you pay to the government. Then the other piece is, okay, well, we all have objectives in our minds. So what do you really want that money to do for you, right? Other than just, you know, retirement. Is it passing on to the kids? Is it giving it to charity? What's the best way to go about that? What's the most tax efficient way, minimize your expenses? There's a lot of that stuff that needs to go into the planning process, which therefore, if you've got, in my opinion, if you have simple needs, if it's just to invest in the market, then you can do it on your own. But when it comes into putting all those pieces that I just mentioned together, that's when you'll find an advisor actually makes sense.
So like some people might know, they go to the bank and then they speak to a mortgage specialist, or they speak to someone in the back office who can sell them mutual funds. Like what role do you play in like this infrastructure, this ecosystem?
Yeah, so for myself, it's a bit different from the bank structure. So we don't have a branch sitting in the corner of a street. What we do is actually we specialize in investing wealth management, right? So we only deal with that side of the business. So a lot of my clients, they can have their banking, their mortgages at your big fives.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the investment and the wealth management piece, they'll come to me for that specialty.